I'm confused कि मैं denim jacket लेके जाऊँ कि leather jacket लेके जाऊँ. एक issue हो गया था. I'm basically going to be using the nude shades only. I have run into a major issue. It is time to book the cab. Welcome back to another vlog, and today I'm going to be prepping and packing for my Mexico trip. There are so many things still to be done. I leave tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. That's when my flight is, but I will leave for the airport much earlier, about like 4 hours before. I am really excited, but you know, that thing when you are looking forward to something, but before that happens there is so much to do that it doesn't really sink in. I am in that state right now. I have to go out, do all those last minute things like get a root hair touch up because my white hair is getting out of control, get my nails done, get my chin laser, and a lot of things that I need to buy before I go and get sorted, like my foreign exchange, that I don't know why always leave it to the last minute. So there's going to be a lot happening today. Stay tuned and come along with me. So thankfully yesterday I did try a couple of outfits and pretty much know what I want to take with me, but I need to organize this because I'm going for 12 days. So I need at least 12 to 15 outfits to take with me because I'll also be shooting a bit of content over there, and obviously I'm going for a really special thing, so I need outfits for that. I'm confused कि मैं denim jacket लेके जाऊँ कि leather jacket लेके जाऊँ. This is lighter, but this is a lot more versatile and I feel like this will also look better. बट ये बहुत हैवी है तो उसको हैंड कैरी में लेके जाना, ऐसे हाथ में पकड़ना, इज गोना बी लिटिल अनोइंग थ्रू आउट. दिस आई कैन स्टिल स्टफ इन माई चेक इन. आई डोंट नो, वील फिगर इट आउट. हेलो, हाँ जी. क्योंकि वहाँ पे ना 500 लेते ही नहीं है. ठीक है, हाँ जी. थैंक यू सो मच. आप मुझे कॉल कर दीजिएगा तो कोऑर्डिनेट कर लेंगे. गॉट माई फॉरेक्स. आई एम कैरिंग अ कार्ड विद मी, सो आई डोंट रियली नीड अ लॉट ऑफ कैश बिकॉज आई एम कैरिंग अ फॉरेक्स ट्रैवल कार्ड. एक इशू हो गया था. आई हैड मैंशन स्पेसिफिकली कि मुझे स्मॉल डिनोमिनेशन की करेंसीज चाहिए पेसोज में बिकॉज वहाँ पे 500 और 500 के ऊपर एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं. बट दे फॉरगॉट टू गेट मी द स्मॉलर डिनोमिनेशन, सो नाउ ही इज गॉन बैक एंड ही इज गोना get it to me somehow because I'm now going to be going out to do my hair and my nails and all of that shit. So we'll basically figure it out. I had a bunch of these packing cubes when I started traveling back then, but I don't know where I've like misplaced all of them. I have no idea where they are anymore. सिर्फ एक बचा है जिसमें I put all my night suit. My clothes are here. I still have to, okay, my swimwear is here, but I still have to do all the rest of the things, which I will come back and do. By the way guys, we're launching these new sandals on Slasho. Hi, एक तो मेरी threading. वो लॉन्ड्री हो गया. So I am washing my makeup brushes right now because they are so dirty. I ordered this cleaning pad from Amazon and I just use like a hand wash thing on top of it and then just clean it like this. I am also just shortlisting toiletries and makeup over here. So for makeup, for my base, I'm taking 2 foundations. I don't want to take 2, but problem ये है कि ये खत्म होने वाला है, but this suits me better than this one. Taking these 2 concealers, same issue, ये खत्म होने वाला है, but this is the one that I like using. So I'm taking this one along. I used to love this, but I think या फिर मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स बढ़ गए हैं या फिर ये ज़्यादा लाइट हो गया है. आई डोंट नो क्या हो चुका है कि this doesn't suit me as much, but I'm still taking both of them. I am also taking this NARS color corrector. Along with this, I'm taking those 2 makeup brushes that I was washing earlier and this primer, this MAC primer. Also taking a translucent powder. This is from Nykaa with this puff thingy. I'm also carrying this. I don't know if I should, but this is just like a touch-up thing if you know it's going to be sweaty and I'm going to be shooting there as well. So in case I need this, comes with me. फिर eyes के लिए I am taking this eyeshadow palette from Lakme. It is quite versatile. इसमें सारे shades हैं. I'm basically going to be using the nude shades only, but this also has a little bit of sparkle in case I'm going to go out partying. So this is great for that. Taking these two eye makeup brushes for, okay, still on eyes. Taking this brown kajal for my lower line, and this is for tight lining under my eyelashes. Mascara that I'm taking is this YSL one that I got as a gift from the brand. And for blush, I'm just taking one. Thankfully, I don't have too many blushes, and thankfully, I like only this kind of a shade. This is from Too Faced, so I'm taking this with me. Okay, this is stuffed. बचा क्या है? Eyebrows बचे हैं, तो इसमें I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills का like brow pencil, and this is like a micro precision tinted brow gel. I've spoken about it in my favorites of the month, so do watch those videos. I am also taking these lipsticks. All of them actually pretty much look the same. It's mostly pinkish, nude shades, but I am just a girl, so I'm going to be taking all of these, and they go right in here. Also taking this beauty blender for all the makeup that's going to be applied to my face, and this is my makeup kit. All right then, this is 6:58 p.m. right now. My flight is exactly in like 11 hours. I am still not done packing, but I have things under control now. Pretty much everything is in place. Now is the favorite part of packing, which is I always order these Amazon 100 ml bottles because it's just easier to carry. मैंने पहली बार ये वाली order की है. Usually order some other ones, but these are actually very convenient because you open like this and you just squeeze the stuff out, so it's no issue of leaking. And we are sorted. Pretty much done packing my check-in suitcase. I've got my toiletries. This is actually a really cool bag that I got from Decathlon. I can actually open it up and becomes a 30-liter bag. I use this for my scuba diving stuff. It is also waterproof. Got my curler, straightener and my steam iron, some cotton right here, accessories, toiletries, then a pair of heels. I don't think I'll be wearing them, but still. And all of this is my swimwear that's rolled up on the side. This has my gym wear. I'm really hoping मैं workout करूँगी. I'm going for like 12 days almost, 15 days, but I'll be traveling 4 days out of those. But at least like 3 workouts because I have 3 outfits. I want to get them in. And then rest of the stuff here is just clothes in this side. I have run into a major issue. I ordered a SanDisk specially for this trip, and SSDs are expensive. Cost me about 8,000, I don't know, 6, 7, 8,000 rupees. But the problem is that I think it is formatted to a Windows laptop. I have a Mac, so ये connect ही नहीं हो रहा है. Like I'm not able to paste anything. All of my hard drives are completely full. I have to leave for the. It's 10 p.m. तो अभी वैसे भी मैं कहीं बाहर जाके ला नहीं सकती. I tried getting it on Blinkit, but nothing is available. I am trying a new cable. Maybe this helps. So let's see. Not working. Honestly don't know what to do. I've asked on my Instagram, I've asked friends, they're all telling me to format it or connect it to a Windows laptop जिसका access मेरे पास है नहीं because I do not have a Windows laptop. Oh, this is annoying. Wait, I think it worked. I think it worked. Let me show you guys what's actually happening. So अभी तक फॉर्मेट नहीं हो रही थी डिस्क, अभी हो गई है. Yeah, it's working. Okay, I have spent 2 hours on this and it is finally sorted. I can breathe now. These are all the gadgets that I'm taking. This is a power bank, which is wireless, laptop, AirPods, SSD, which finally worked, a converter. This is a universal converter that I actually just ordered from Blinkit, so it's pretty cool. जो अब चल खुल ही नहीं रहा है, but you get the gist. My regular phone charger, my DJI Osmo kit जिससे मैं अभी record कर रही हूँ, and my one hard drive. This is my hand baggage. This is a Tumi backpack, which is so good because there is so much space and so many pockets. All of this is going to go inside this, along with some toiletries that I'll need on the airplane, like a face wash. I've kept that squeezy silicone bottle in this, my perfume, some medication that I'm using, some panty liners, and an iPad, even though I know I'll get one on the plane. And of course my passport, which is already inside, thankfully, and my wallet and Forex. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It is time to book the cab and head to the airport. Cab is on the way. This is my airport fit. I'm wearing these black, really comfy pants. Let me remove this from Zara. I am worried about my weight. It doesn't feel like 25 kgs. It feels slightly more than that. Let us head to the airport. Some rice idli and sambar from my favorite South Indian cafe, Karnataka Cafe. It's gonna be a long ass journey. यहाँ से मेरी 9 hours की flight है to Paris. Then there's a layover for like 4 hours, and then I have a 12 and a half hour flight from Paris to Mexico City. It's gonna be quite tiring. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here right now, and I will see you guys in Mexico.